Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 1st of May. And first of all, national news. Man Ki Baat has become my spiritual journey, PM Modi said on 100th episode. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh to hand over patrol vessel landing craft to Maldives. Operation Kaveri, India brought back another batch of 229 people from Sudan. PM Modi urged women to enroll for Mahila Samman Savings Certificate. Fasai found 32 fresh cases in alleged contravention of the provisions of Food Safety and Standards Rule. Byju's brought more FDI to India than other startups. Company in compliance with laws, CEO after ED raid. Beti Bachao Beti Padhao helped improve gender ratio in Haryana. PM Modi. Now, international news. China's Jurong Mars rover found traces of recent water activity on Red Planet. Elon Musk said Starship could be ready for launch in 6 to 8 weeks. Sudan violence entered third week, UN said to country falling apart. US asked China to stop provocative and unsafe acts in South China Sea. Being taken captive by Russia would be a disgrace, Vladimir Zelensky. And now some sports news. India's summit, Nadal clinch Rome ATP Challenger title. Satvik Sairaj Ranki Reddy, Chirag Shetty won historic gold in Badminton Asia Championships. Toulouse demolished Nantes to win French Cup. MI players, coaching staff paid tribute to grown leader Rohit Sharma's captaincy. Now news related to business. Rajneesh Karnatak joined Bank of India as Managing Director, CEO. India-Russia to explore possibility of accepting RuPay and Mir cards. Bring automated GST return scrutiny system by next week. Finance Minister Sitaraman asked CBIC. Corporate loan growth not very strong. Kotak Mahindra Bank's Manian said. No conclusion of wrongdoing in SCBI application to Supreme Court, Adani Group. News from Science and Technology. New drug successfully treats fatty liver disease in primate model. And MIT's ingestible electroceutical capsule controls appetite by hormone modulation. And that's all in news. Thank you.